Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, trans and non-binary, and welcome to the 2023 Unserious Olympics.
That's right, this is the event where our contestants get to face their childhood traumas right in the eye.
That's right, all of our contestants today will be competing in Poly-fied sports competitions to see if you did fe'aus when you were younger or if you pretended that you had irritable bowel syndrome when it was time to clear the table.
Yeah, speaking of bowel syndrome, do you have good bowels today?
Just a minute.
Moving right along, we'll be heading over to the Fe'au arena to check out the women's curling competition.
What's the name of the arena?
Fe'au.
I love that. Yeah. And in the Fe'au arena, all the way from the dental clinic of Atamai Heights, we have team Do You Like Your Teeth?
Wow, and just by their name alone, you can tell that these guys are ready and hungry for the competition at hand.
Such savagery.
They
I mean,
really
speaking
are.
of savage, do you know if you ever found where the chorus is at?
Probably in the fibre.
In the broadband.
Yes. Do you like your teeth? The salo, an iconic piece to every household, which is a great metaphor for holding on to your marriage when you need to sweep those problems under the rug.
Oh, how I wish I had someone to have marital problems with to sweep under the rug. How's your rug?
My rug is actually up here.
Beautiful.
We're high in the sky with Aladdin.
Okay, a whole new world.
Yeah, you ready? Let's go.
Oh, that was so close, but not close enough for team Do You Like Your Teeth?
Yes, and as you can see, the judges have scored them an eye guy for their first attempt, which is not good. Let's see where they went wrong in the TIO, shall we? Oh, yes, right there. Poor technique. I mean, if you have used a salad before, you would know to sweep to the body and not away. Ka Lord to the whai for How Do You Like Your Teeth?
And you know, the better team won, and unfortunately it wasn't us.
It wasn't.
No, it was God. At the end of the day, God's the winner. Let's go. Okay. The bar.
The bar. We use the bar.
Okay, goodbye.
Happy hour.
Know your roots, party people. Wow, it's time to check out our next team to step into the Fe'au arena. Hailing all the way from the dental clinic of Papa Tooth, it's team Wali Gums. Now this team here look like they know what they're doing. They look like they've been dancing their whole lives to the sweet sounds of their mums yelling.
Oh, what beautiful sounds. I mean, you can tell that these kids have definitely been doing their fe'aus, and it's paying off because they're now at the Unserious Olympics.
I know, I can't wait to see what they do. Oh my God, and as the kids would say these days, let's go! What a smooth performance from Team Wali Gums, who have managed to put the Nifogola into its rightful place.
That's right, such a touching performance for these guys. And they're all the way from Papa Tooth. Now they've snatched first place. Congratulations.
Who would you guys like to thank for today's win?
I'd just like to thank me, myself, and I, and also Liz.
Very nice. Thank you very much for being here.
Well, we're going to head over to the medal ceremony now, where Sarah Jane Alva'a will be singing the national anthem.
Tune in next week as we check out the Fa'afinge Balancing Tea at the Balancing Beam Arena, right here at the 2023 Unserious Olympics. Mate wa.